And just to round things off, Caiga sé an Sevriher Amser Ostinach, the future tense. All of these end in an R, an AR. It's either EAR or just plain AR, and then you have the two sets of verbs, the short and the longs, the OEs, I call them, one set of them. So they behave in similar ways to the regular future tense. Again, just somebody does it, we don't know who does it. Curfer, I pronounce the F's. Dealfer, Jerfer, Janefer, Torfer, Fekfer, Klishfer, Yofer. Again, the same irregular form pretty much as the future tense otherwise. Kjanofer is one of the OEs. Baljofer, again. And then the ni for negative, an for question. The only exception are a couple of odd irregular verbs, as always. Ni derfer doesn't have any lenition, and ni wifer has an eclipsis for some God only knows what reason. But that's how we got them, and that's how they are. So study those forms, practice using them, and that's chapter 56.